There are many railways on Sodor with many different engines, like the Northwestern Railway, with engines big and small, and the Minchgate Railway, with engines tiny but mighty, and the Cody Fell Railway, with mountain engines, meaning they can climb extreme high heights. The Skarloey Railway, with very old engines and interesting ones, but there's one engine who isn't as known as well as Skarloey or Linnaeus. The engine's name is Ivo Hugh. Ivo is a true engine, who is one of the Skarloey Railway's strongest engines. But that can get to poor Ivo Hugh's head.
Hey, Peter Sam! Sir Handel! Look how many trucks I can pull!
Before something bad happens, Ivo Hugh.
Push 'em, boys!
Whoa!
What are you going, Ivo Hugh?
Sorry, James! Well, it's more like the trucks pushed you more than you pulled them, Ivo! Oh, ha, ha, ha. Very funny, Sir Handel.
It's okay, Ivo. Everyone isn't perfect or the world's strongest engine.
Hello, Ivo Hugh. Hello, Peter Sam.
Hello, sir!
I need you both to go up to the Blue Mountain quarry. Peter Sam, can you show Ivo Hugh where it is?
Yes, sir.
Great, now get to it.
Wow, this place is big!
You'll get used to it. It's not much of a big deal when you've been here multiple times.
Oh, okay. Oh, who's that little engine?
Little? I'm not little.
Okay, well, I'm Ivo Hugh, and you are...
Luke.
Oh, okay, Luke. I'm the world's strongest hour gauge engine.
No, you're not. I bet I'm stronger than you.
Oh, really now?
You're stronger
You're the
than
weak
you
one.
just
I'm
weak.
built. You are just tiny. You're just a little engine. I'm bigger than you. I'm so stronger than you. No, I'm stronger than you. You're just weak.
Alrighty now. You two cut it out. You two need to take a shipment of stone to the wharf, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then I'll leave you two to it.
I bet I could take more trucks than you. No, you won't.
Oh, fuck.
I'm taking the most trucks.
Oh, for Pete's sake, shut up. And if you want to prove who's stronger, then see who can take the most deliveries of stone to the wharf.
Okay. I'll bet I'll be winning now. Oh, go faster, driver.
Oh, look out, Ivo Hugh. Oh, slow down, Luke. Honey, be careful. Hey, what's the rush for? You two should be careful. Okay, Ivo, we should slow down and fill up on water.
No, we're in the lead.
That doesn't matter. We need some water.
Okay. Oh, now we're going to lose.
Well, we do have a way to get back in front. came in at the same time. Now be quiet.
Let's go count our trucks.
Good idea. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 20.
I got 20. And we both took 4 trucks at a time.
So, that means we're both the strongest narrow gauge engines?
Yeah! We should do this more often.
Yeah.